Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Catapull Lady Comb Wrap. Knowing how to do a Catapull already and having experience with combs would be good as well. So I'll put links in the description below so you can go back and look at that stuff really easily and quickly if you are trying to find it. The move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's the whole thing. So let's break it down now. Starts like a standard catapult. Right to right, we go back and we sweep the lady through into a lean. We take the right hand up, we bring the lady round, setting her up to do a lean as well. The guy comes past to get back to the front, and this is where it changes. Guys, we're going to keep the left low, the right high. We're going to turn to the right, but we're going to get all the way around, folding the hand behind our back, left hand. We're going to be using that hand to lead the lady, so don't forget about it. As we come round, we're going to comb the lady, but at the same time as combing the lady, we're going to use that hand behind the back to draw the lady towards us, which instantly sets us up to then stop the lady, which means we end up in compression, and that compression allows us to then send the lady back, sliding the right hand down the arm. We're going to pick up the hand, we're going to get out of the way to the left so we can spin in a return direction, change places, back to left or right, ready to carry on dancing. Okay, so we'll do it from the other side and talk numbers. So we go back 1, sweep 2, lean 3, raise the right 4, turn the lady 5, lean 6, raise the right 7, guys turn 8, comb 1, slide 2, spin 3, and catch 4. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, Catapull Lady Comb Wrap. We go a back, sweep, lean, raise, turn, lean, raise, turn, comb, out of the way, spin through, and catch. And that's it. Whole lot, all done. I hope that turns out to be something that is good fun for you out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notification bell lets you know every time a new video comes out if it's turned on in your settings. Music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video. One of those is a link to a music video, which will be something good to dances to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.